Hi guys, thanks so much for being with us today. I'm just about to pick up the S-Class for a short test drive, except I'm not going anywhere. It's coming to me all by itself. Now that's pretty cool.
Imagine the feeling, the spotlight. Arriving at an event in a huge luxury sedan. Having the moment of attention. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Arguably the most loved full-size luxury sedan car. For decades, S-Class has been leading the way in its class. The most luxurious and reliable full-size flagship sedan in its group, which includes BMW 7 Series and Audi A8. The new S-Class is even better positioned to be a segment leading in its class for many years to come. Stay with me as I walk you through Audi S8 and Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Please subscribe and turn on the notification so you won't miss any new video. Thank you. As top-tier model of Audi's flagship sedan, the S8 carries with it a certain responsibility to present and deliver. Audi redesigned its large luxury sedan last year, fitting it with the latest technology and safety features. The S8 is a handsome car, whichever way you look at it. A broad single-frame grille takes up most of the fascia, with a pair of HD matrix LED headlights. The taillights and daytime running lights are also LED. With quad exhaust tips and standard 20-inch S-design wheels. The S8 is powered by 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, 563 horsepower, and 590 pound-feet of torque, paired to 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission with quattro all-wheel drive, and sprint 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. Top speed, 155 miles per hour. The Audi S8 cabin is extremely spacious, thanks to the sedan's long wheelbase, with the majority of the space delegated to the rear seats. The 2021 S-Class amplifies Mercedes's full-size luxury package, powered by 4.0-liter bi-turbo V8, 496 horsepower, and 516 pound-feet of torque, paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission, with 4MATIC all-wheel drive, and sprint 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. Top speed, 130 miles per hour. Inside, the new S-Class receives a new design that prioritizes screens, including a giant center touchscreen, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster.